staining that we can get. Now, you see when I move my fingers just like that, some of it came off. Not all of it is going to come off. Like I'll get out here and I'll start scrubbing. Now that looks considerably different. But having all of this, see how there's little grains in your paint? We're not going to be able to get all of that off. We're going to do as much as we can. So I'm going to go ahead and keep doing this video. Just so where you can see it, I'm going to do an after video all the way around again.